Hello and welcome to my video recording that I'm doing tonight. And I did it at 6:53 and will be finished at 7:23. This is only 30 minutes. So as we open up this thing here, and this is my computer term of the day. And it says this computer term is about what you learn about in the computer term and what it sees. And what is explaining that each computer term you have to read it in your own words, in your own saying, and in your own understanding. Don't copy and paste um, words, because you won't learn anything when you copy and paste. You can only learn how to read it in your own terms and under your own terms, and don't read it from somebody else's. So the reason why I'm doing this recording tonight, because I did this computer terms at Goodwill, and you can look up computer terms at www.techterms.com, and you can learn it at anywhere where you are. You can learn it outside or anywhere in your home or anywhere you want to learn a computer term. So the computer term that I'm learning today is card reader. Card reader. Okay, a card reader is an adaptive database input for mobile devices for you to use on your cell phone. So if your cell phone has some kind of memory card to put in, use that card in your phone, in your cell phone, and you play it on your device, and it will also read the card, read information on your card. So, and PC tablets, which will use it for storing pictures. This is the Android phone and Samsung devices, and they will come with a USB connector, which you can buy a USB connector or extension at your mobile device store dealer, and you connect with the USB connector. You can connect it to your car or cell phone or computer or any other device that that you have in your car or home or office or whatever you're using with to use with your computer, and it will install a profile access driver software application. So when you open your when you install the profile, especially like a speaker or Bluetooth, it will show you how to install a driver software on your computer. And this is a video recording that I'm doing. I don't know if I may hear audio or not, but maybe I will have to put in audio and video at the same time. So we'll see about that after I'm done with this recording. It sounds gonna fill in. So a profile access driver software will apply to your computer, and it will open your device system access manager. So it will pop up in that. So then it will begin the process installation wizard. Then the card will read files and other data information that is stored, that it is reading it from, either from your web browser or a word processing document on your computer. So if you use a word processing document, it will read what is written on the document and the text. And the reader read other files, like as what Darlene said at good today, photo, video, any that pictures that you take from your family or relatives. And that my word of the day. And that's my word of the day. And every time you send a computer term, you always send it to the person that you are sending to, so they can read it and understand it, so they can send a quarterly report. If you add a instance, if you have goodwill, and if you want to come a computerologist yourself, you can go through these. And this is my picture right here. That's me in Herbert's car. So I'll send this off of Facebook. And card reader, so like say you use cell phone for instance. In the cell phone, the card reader will read the adapter and will also read the thing that is installed in your computer, and it will read the files. So as long as it's in the computer, and we went 6 minutes and 45 seconds. So we can go for 10 minutes. We just do a short recording, and this will be uploaded onto Facebook, which I don't want to go on the internet yet, because my video might glitch. So we can talk for a little while more, and let's see what else we get to share here besides this. So this is Audacity. I did 2 recordings. I'm going to be starting new again. And this is Wondershare. And this is all my Bible study files that I have in here. So it's your music and sound recording files, Audacity, yes, pretty much the same. Oh yeah. And this is my After Movies project that I'm working on for the church, which I will be continuing in November. Let's see what else we have here. So this is my movie. That's me. And this is my audio version of my movie. And so back to here. If you wanna, wait, where is it? What's that? Okay. So this is my computer term. So if you have a card reader, like say a cell phone for instance, you can take pictures with the card reader, and the card will read photos and pictures of your relatives, family, and same thing as a PC tablet. It will take pictures, videos, and load apps too, and Samsung devices too. So like the new Samsung Galaxy tablet. So they will come with USB connectors, which you can buy separate too, but they cost some money too. So to use it with your computer, after you connect it, you install a profile, access driver software application. So as the thing installs, it will say a user account, a user account will show up, so it will change. After you hit yes, then it will open in your devices, your device manager with this. I'll show you right now. Okay, hold on. I'll show you device right here. Where's the okay, this is your control panel. Alright. This is the stuff here. This is what you use right here. As you can see, this is the where is that thing? Oh, device manager right here. Let's see, it's trying to load. Just wait a few minutes. Come on. Okay, we don't want to minimize that. You gotta keep that open. Okay, so this is your device manager. This displays all the devices that is installed, and sound and vid and all this stuff. So if you're using display help, you click in here. This is where you have to install a card reader if you have one. It's the help topics, the tech center website. Okay, this is the Microsoft Management 3.0. And this is your device manager. So as you look in here, this tells all the help topics, which is overview of device manager, opening device manager, viewing device information, installing device and their drivers, confirmation device properties, uninstalling and reinstalling devices, additional device manager resources. So device manager glossary. So if you wanna go into overview, because it will explain all of it. So go in here. So user is, you have to read all of these steps. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to read each step in category, and you have to understand it what it is. So, but I'm not going to explain all of this. And there's additional references. So you want to learn more, click here to get this small book over here. Okay. Let's go. Where's the device information? View details and status for a device, USB power and bandwidth for a device. And as you install a card reader, it will read all this stuff and view information about the device and driver alone. So that's this driver alone. So you go in here just to explain information. So you have to go through all these 4 steps. So this is the simple steps right here. So to view information about your device, so you look here. Step 1, open device manager. So as it opens, it will show each in device, and you look for card reader, and you would see it there. Step 2, find and right click the specific device that you want, and then click properties. 3, on the driver tab, information about the current installed driver is displayed. Click the details button, and the driver file details page appears with a list of individual files. So it will show a whole list of files that make up the driver. Additional variances, viewing device information, and there's others too. Shape of device driver stored. Okay, how much minutes we went? Okay, we have to read all of this. Minimize this. Okay, we get 3 more minutes. We're golden. Okay, hope I can hear audio through this. So if it doesn't, you have to do it again. Have to figure out how. Okay, here we go. We have batteries, the computer itself, disk drive, which is your HDD hard disk drive, display adapters, IDE data adapted controllers, imaging, which is the camera, which you can use a simple video, a camcorder or video camera. And here you have keyboards, mice, and other pointing devices like a pen or touchpad, monitors, network adapters, Broadcom, which is for use for your internet cable, Broadcom adapter for your internet. So don't touch this if you don't know what it is. Look it up. So this is the main part of your internet. Realtek PCI family controllers. It's the controller that's built in this computer that runs the if you are using a family plan internet, like all-in-one for TV, internet, and phone, video, you will have to get a family plan service in order to use that. And a targeting Perudo interface, which I don't know, didn't respond. I don't know why. So I have to check that. What else we have here? Novotel wireless processor. This is the ATN. That's at 1.1 gigahertz. This is the processors right here, and this is the sound. High definition audio device. You can check it out and update it. System devices such as your all of this here. It reads all of these components here. So all of the stuff that's come with your computer And if you don't know about it, you can look it up online. And if you're having trouble with these kind of things, you can call a Microsoft tech support. Don't let them call you, you call them. So, this is the PCT. It's Microsoft Virtual Drive. Uh, Direct Memory Access Controller. High Definition Audio Control. So the controls for the audio the is like a volume thing, the equalizer, which you might have to update once in a while. And Microsoft controller system, system management, BIOS driver, virtual controller, watching timer, and numeric data processor. So all of these things that's in the computer, and it would show card reader on top here if you have it installed. And plug and play software device emulator, programmer go interrupter controller, remote desktop device with the bus. Yeah, you can set a remote desktop connection too, which I never did yet. Okay, let's see how long we went on this recording. Oh, 21 minutes, alright.